Students, today I will teach you what are longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines running from north to south. This is the north and this is the south. These are the semicircle lines running from north to south. Longitudes, we call it meridians also. Now in the center, this is 0 degree. This is the prime meridian, is most important line of longitude. It is located at 0 degree longitude. You can see this, it is located at 0 degree longitude. The prime meridians run through Greenwich. Now I will tell you how many prime meridians are there, and now I will tell you all meridians are equal in length. These are the prime meridians. You can see in this figure, these are the meridians running from north pole to the south pole. This is north pole to the south pole. And now all meridians are of equal length. Thus it was difficult to number the meridians. इसलिए equal length है, इसलिए इनका numbering करना it's very difficult. Hence all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich. Greenwich is the place near London. Greenwich is a place near London. उन्होंने कहा कि सारी कंट्रीज़ ने डिसाइड किया कि हम वहाँ से काउंट करेंगे जहाँ पे मेरिडियन कहाँ से पास कर रहा है, ग्रीनविच से, वेयर द ब्रिटिश रॉयल ऑब्जर्वेटरी इज लोकेटेड. दिस मेरिडियन इज कॉल्ड द प्राइम मेरिडियन. इसको क्या कहा गया? यू कैन सी इन दिस फिगर, दिस इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन, दिस प्राइम मेरिडियन, एंड वी लोकेटेड 0 degree. It's now you can see its value is 0 degree longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westward. This is the east, this side of the east, total 180 degree we count, and the west side also we count 180 degree westward. The prime meridian and the 180 meridians divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. These are the two equal halves. This half is the western hemisphere and this half is the eastern hemisphere. Now eastern hemisphere we marked as E and western hemisphere we marked as W. Now in this, however, interesting to note that 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. Okay, now I will tell you about the grid. Grid, what is grid? The lines of latitude and longitude crisscross and form a network of lines on the globe and map that is called grid. This is the grid. जहाँ पे ये एक दूसरे को क्रिस क्रॉस कर रही हैं लाइंस इज कॉल्ड द ग्रिड. क्रिस क्रॉस मतलब एक दूसरे को जो क्रॉस कर रही हैं लैटिट्यूड्स और लॉन्गिट्यूड्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रिड. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर also figure also. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.